Hi, my name is Eric, and I think landscape restoration is one of the critical issues that should be tackled, or rather be handled, since these are the ecosystems that we normally rely upon for the many ecological goods that we get. So when we don't restore these areas, then it means that human survival is under stake and it's threatened. Yeah, as we tackle issues to do with climate change and this desertification, we can't have a sustainable livelihoods if we still have our landscape in the kind of nature they are today. So I think it's a high time we covered this area and restored our landscapes. Thank you.